If you're looking for powerful performance on a budget, you're in the right place. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because the number one pick delivers features that usually only exist on premium dashcams. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget dashcams based on performance, features, night vision, user reviews, and overall value for the money. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ROVE R2 to 4K Dual. At number 5, the ROVE R2 to 4K Dual offers a strong value by combining 4K clarity with complete front and rear coverage. Product info: 4K front plus Full HD rear. STARVIS 2 low light sensor. Free 128 GB memory card included. 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 MB per second transfer. 3-inch IPS display. 24-hour parking mode. Product reviews: drivers appreciate the included 128 GB card and the clear visibility during nighttime driving. Many say the app transfer speed is the fastest they've used. Pros: strong front plus rear coverage. Excellent night clarity. Free large memory card. Fast, stable 5G Wi-Fi. This dashcam is ideal for drivers wanting dual camera protection without spending premium money. Number 4. ROVE R2 to 4K. At number 4, the single-channel R2 to 4K focuses entirely on delivering maximum video clarity at one of the best prices in the 4K category. Product info: UHD, 2160p recording. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus GPS. 150 degrees wide-angle lens. WDR and upgraded night vision. 2.4-inch IPS screen. Product reviews: users praise the sharpness of the daytime footage and the simplicity of setup. Many also like the GPS accuracy for tracking routes and speed. Pros: impressive 4K clarity for the price. Super fast Wi-Fi 6 footage transfer. Easy installation and app control. Reliable GPS. Perfect for budget shoppers looking for high-quality single-channel recording. Number 3. VIOFO A229. In third place, VIOFO brings serious image quality at a strong mid-budget price point. Product info: 4K front plus 2K rear. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 IMX675 sensors. HDR support. 5G HZ, Wi-Fi plus built-in GPS. Night Vision 2.0. Supports up to 512 GB storage. Product reviews: owners consistently report that this model handles glare, low light, and fast-changing brightness extremely well. The sensors deliver crisp detail and excellent reliability. Pros: outstanding HDR performance. Sharp 4K plus 2K setup. Strong stability in high temperatures. Excellent night vision. Ideal for drivers focused on video quality above all else. Number 2. 70mm 4K T800. At number 2, the 70mm T800 delivers premium features at a surprisingly budget-friendly price. Product info: 4K front plus 4K interior plus 1080p rear. Triple STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors. HDR night vision. Includes 512 GB card. Wi-Fi 6 plus 4G LTE remote access. ADAS safety alerts. 24/7 smart parking mode. Product reviews: users highlight its crisp interior 4K camera and super stable night footage. Many appreciate the LTE feature for real-time tracking and remote viewing. Pros: triple channel 4K at a budget price. Huge included 512 GB storage. Best-in-class night clarity. Remote monitoring for added security. If you want premium functionality without premium cost, this is an excellent choice. Number 1. Vantrue N5S. And taking the number 1 spot, the Vantrue N5S brings the highest value by offering full 360-degree coverage normally seen on much higher-priced models. Product info: 4-channel, 360 degrees recording. 2.7K, front plus 1440p plus dual 1080p. STARVIS 2 plus IR night vision. Voice control. Built-in GPS. Supports up to 1 TB storage. 24-hour parking protection. Product reviews: rideshare drivers and commuters praise the complete 360-degree visibility. They particularly love the interior infrared camera, which performs exceptionally well in low-light situations. Pros: full 360 degrees coverage at a budget cost. Excellent IR interior night vision. Supports massive 1 TB storage. Highly accurate GPS plus voice commands. This combination of coverage, clarity, and affordability is what makes the N5S the best budget dashcam of 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. As promised, the best budget dashcam is the Vantrue N5S 360 degrees dashcam, thanks to its full 360-degree protection, strong night performance, and exceptional value. If this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.